Oh, there we go.
There we go, Johnny.
Spinnerbait.
The fish whisperer is here. Oh,
jeez,
nice
look
one.
at.
You need the net.
I think so.
Yeah, that's a good fish. What a fish to start off in the morning, bro. Oh my word, that's a big fish. What a start. Yeah,
Johnny.
bliksem.
Swim jig, eh?
That was a swim jig, I thought it was a spinnerbait.
That's a beauty,
Ah,
man.
what a start.
Take some photos, eh?
What a start.
You want the scale? Eh?
Yeah, let's see what it weighs. First fish of the morning. What a start. Jeez.
Definitely a 2 kilo plus that.
251.
Yes, what a start, dude.
Lekker boykie. Well done, man. Well done. Good, buddy. Well done.
Nice. Yes, what a nice fish.
Okay.
That one was acrobatic, eh?
Was that 51?
Wow.
Was that goon?
Nice, bro. Yes, that was lekker. I saw that one.
But they finished spawned out there.
Oh, another one. Jeez, look it.
Hey, Sean.
It's on a roll.
Holy moly.
Now he has to fight it through this highway. Huh. He sounded a lot bigger, but still, look at those, bro. Look at the averages he's been catching.
Amazing.
Sean, you on a roll here, bro?
Getting it.
Damn.
Quite.
Mooi man. So it's still a nice fish, smallest fish of the day, but it's still a nice fish, eh?
But the color of it tells me it's been in the dirty water a long time.
Erik,
Yeah.
make it dance again for me. That was cool. When boss, eh?
Yeah. You ready, Johnny? Yeah, baby!
Nice.
That's what we came for.
Right next to that, eh?
Yes, I tell you, it's such a weird bite though.
That was the top.
Look at that.
Yes,
man.
look how round that thing is.
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, you had him. He had you on for a little while there. For a good while there. Yeah.
It's an acrobatic.
Oh, is that on a froggy?
Yeah, but I let it drop down by the reeds.
Like a crow.
What's going on? Something's not sounding good on my road there.
Nice fish, no?
But did you hear that? It was not a good.
Fuck me. Swallowed it complete. Good luck.
No, it's gotcha. Yeah, thanks.
So there are big ones that are making this.
Yeah. Hey, Zaidi! Back on the board again.
On this
Ooh, and like barely hooked. Looked like it, I don't know.
That's on the main hook. Yeah, it was
Yeah. Nice catch.
Yeah, not so big.
fine.
Also, there we go. So double up here.
That's a nice one you've got, John.
No, it's not bad.
Another double up to Renus.
Go fishing.
Yeah, it's making us go round and round. There we go. There's one.
There we go, baconator. Net fish or?
No. I'll boat this one. There we go. I knew there was one there. That's cool. Not huge, but
Welcome back, baconator.
Just gave us a chance.
We're just giving us a chance.
yeah, but I don't want quantity, I want quality. I want to catch some big ones like you guys. These 1 kilo fishies.